If you're experiencing issues with the installation loop in GTA 5, follow these steps to resolve the problem quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and enhance your installation process. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for GTA 5. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and available disk space to ensure compatibility. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. Installing updated drivers can resolve many performance and installation issues. Step 3. Verify game file. If you are using a platform like Steam or Rockstar Launcher, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of game files. This will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them automatically. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background, especially those that may interfere with the installation process, such as antivirus software or system optimization tools. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling GTA 5. Make sure to back up any saved data before proceeding with the uninstallation. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your installation experience and resolve any looping issues with GTA 5. Good luck and enjoy your gaming!